defendant's objection to notice of registration of a Missouri child support order here in the state of Michigan. Appearing at today's hearing via Zoom is the defendant, Mr. Akins. And Mr. Akins, I will go ahead and swear you in. This is your objection. If you would please raise your right hand.
Yes, sir.
Do you swear or affirm that the testimony you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. You can lower your hand. And what would you like to say today in support of your objection to the registration of the Missouri child support order here in Michigan?
Your Honor, there's really nothing to say. I'm just ready to get this over with because I ain't finna go through he say, she say, but I'm just trying to get this taken care of because, Your Honor, I'm not fit to take care of my children on what they're garnishing. I'm not. Including you can't take care of your children if you can't take care of yourself. That's all I'm like. I can't take care of myself. If I can't take care of myself, I cannot take care of my children. Like, I got to make sure I'm fit, then I can make sure my children is good. You know what I'm saying? Like, if you have children, sir, you know what I'm saying? Like, we got to make sure we straight, then our children is straight, Your Honor. What they got me doing right now, Your Honor, even I got multiple cases out of Missouri with child support. I don't mind taking care of my kids. That's not the problem. It's just I don't make what I make no more, Your Honor.
Okay.
You know? So okay. I ain't no excuses for nothing.
I understand. So what you'll need to do is file or basically make a request in the Missouri court where your case is. Do you know what court that is?
I don't know, Your Honor. I came up here to start over and so live a better.
Okay.
Go ahead.
It's in Dunklin County, Missouri.
Yes, sir. That's where I'm from.
So what you'll need to do is contact the Dunklin County Court and ask them to look at your child support and modify it, lower it. Okay.
And that's what I'm saying, Your Honor. She won $1,067 a month, Your Honor. I make $1,000 a month.
Right.
Like I'm literally, I cannot survive here. Our cost of living here is way different from where I'm from.
So under the statute that I have to go by, inability to pay the support order is not grounds to stop it from being registered here in Michigan. That's a good argument if you want to change the amount, but to do that, you'd have to ask the court in Dunklin County, Missouri to change the amount, because this court doesn't have the authority to change the amount.
And that's what I'm saying, Your Honor. She transferred up here. Why don't they have the authority?
Well, because under Michigan law and also Missouri law, the Dunklin County Court has the continuing authority to do that, and only Dunklin County has that authority.
And that's what I'm saying, Your Honor. Like, they garnish it so much. Like, even today, my check, I got paid today. My check was $78, Your Honor. I don't know how I can survive off of it.
So
I don't. Like, my last check last week was 98. The one before that was 106. I cannot survive.
So do you have any questions about the court that you should give a call to ask to have this looked at to lower it?
Even when I called them, they say get a lawyer. I can't afford one. I can't.
And I don't have the ability to appoint you a lawyer for that Missouri case. I'm very sorry. Okay. So at this point, I have to deny the objection, because it looks like your argument that you have the inability to pay this amount, that's not an argument that would prevent the order from being registered here in Michigan. Okay. So I would really, I know they're saying get a lawyer. You know, it looked like, did you get a letter from Miss Bradway?
I got all my documents right
Okay.
here, and
All right. Because that's somebody who works for our court, and she contacted the Dunklin County Court, and the Dunklin County person told her that if you put something in writing to them asking to modify it, then they'll set it for a hearing there in the Dunklin County case. So you should send them a letter. You did?
I
Okay.
did that, Your Honor. They just keep saying get a lawyer. I can't afford one, man. I can't afford one. I ain't looking for sympathy or nothing. I would take care and be there for my kids, but I don't know how, because I got multiple cases of child support. I got one that's 1,067. I got one that's 525. I got one that's 2. I don't mind taking care of my children, but the price of living or the cost of living is different here from where I'm from.
I understand.
Like
so for the reasons that I stated, I have to deny your objection to the registration of this order in Michigan. And I'll issue a written order, and you'll get a copy of that. And I wish you well in trying to address this in Dunklin County. So that'll conclude our hearing.
Thank you, Your Honor.